if you recall the other day, I was having a hard time with my water impeller. So Melissa was super nice and she said, I'll do it. So we're going to put it back on. But when I say we, I mean Melissa. If you own a boat, you know what time it is. Boat maintenance time.
The engine doctor is in. I like the match.
You can check my oil whenever you want.
Wow. Okay. What's this thing called? Do I have to put it in the hose first?
Yeah, like really wiggle it. Just wiggle one at a time. I do this one first. Yeah.
This one?
Wiggle that. Yeah, wiggle that on there.
It's on. Here.
All the way? Cool. Now take that hose clamp and just move it over.
Easier said than done.
You can loosen it if you have to.
Oil.
That socket there is for that.
Is that loosening?
You're doing a great job.
Oh, yeah. It's the most fun I've had all week.
Is that true?
It's Monday.
You got a case of the Mondays?
Yeah. Maintenance Mondays blow. Alright, well, if as captain of the boat, I would recommend you double checking those before you run the motor. To line it up with the holes first.
Now, make sure it's in that pulley. You can feel it with your finger.
So it's not. Or is it?
So it sits inside that.
Yeah, but it's like in here. So is that right?
Seems pretty good.
Well, this goes under here?
Yep.
Or do I go?
Yeah, just make sure your belt's not in the way. You can move this around. Yeah, that's perfect. So then tighten this one down mostly.
What, this guy?
Actually, this is the downside is I don't have a 12mm socket because for whatever reason, Craftsman decided it wasn't necessary in my kit. So you can hand tighten those as much as you can. And if you take pressure off of it, it'll be really easy. So, now here's the thing. This belt has to be tight. Where our belt is probably almost bad because see this adjustment? We're almost all the way at the end of our adjustment. So, we'll probably order up a new belt for that too. That's it. You changed to water impeller.
That was so much fun. How often does that have to be done?
I think they recommend once a season, but kind of like twice a year. You can check it and you can lube it. We didn't even have to actually change the impeller. How do you do that? Next season.
Funny. Funny. Gloves are coming off. Look at that. I'm done.
The gloves are coming off.
No more boat maintenance for the day. I'm out.
Thanks for joining us for Maintenance Monday. We'll see you next time. That's the boat life. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe. Thumbs up. Tell your friends.
Share it with a friend. You changed your water impeller lately? Because you might need to. Have your wife do it.
Don't.